Assalamu alaikum everybody. Here is an Eid special recipe. So let's start. So go ahead and get yourself some goat, lamb, sheep. Cut up some tomatoes, cut up some onions, grab yourself some ginger garlic paste. As for our spices, we'll take some coriander powder, red chili, turmeric, some salt, and some black pepper. Now let's add oil in our pressure cooker, heat it up, drop in our meat. Let's go ahead and throw all the tomatoes, onions, ginger garlic paste. And finally, we're going to throw in all the spices that we're going to be using. Go ahead and mix everything up. Here we're going to add a cup of water and then finally close the pressure cooker and let it cook. Voila, look at that. Man, that looks amazing. Look at the color, look at the texture. The meat is extremely tender. So now it's time to serve. So let's dish it out. So here's the final result. I hope you tried this recipe with your family this year on Eid. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and come back for more delicious recipes.